This training video was prepared by the TRADOC Project Office for Gaming, an element of the National Simulation Center Combined Arms Center training at Fort Leavenworth, Kansas, in support of the Center for Army Lessons Learned. The 5-25 200-meter battle drill is designed for use in an environment where the enemy is using improvised explosive devices in combination with snipers. It is an adaptation of the commonly used 5-25-meter drill for dismounting vehicles. The 200-meter dimension of the drill is a distance that reflects current combat experience in Operation Iraqi Freedom. Enemy precision marksmen or snipers overwatching IEDs most often engage coalition forces from ranges closer than 200 meters. As with all other battle drills, this battle drill should be adapted in light of the mission, enemy, terrain, time, troops available, and civil considerations. In dense urban areas, it may become a 5-25 100-meter drill, and in relatively open areas, it may become a 5-25 400-meter drill. Your platoon is conducting patrolling operations in Baghdad, Iraq. Everyone who leaves the forward operating base should have mastered the 5-25 200-meter battle drill as part of counter-IED and counter-sniper procedures. Any patrol stopping for more than 1 minute must consider itself vulnerable to attack. All stops must involve team members actively employing 5 and 25-meter checks. These checks enable the team to secure the areas immediately around and adjacent to their vehicles. These checks are widely used to look for primary, secondary, and tertiary IEDs. It is common for the enemy to overwatch IEDs, even hoax IEDs. Observers determine when coalition forces enter IED kill zones in order to maximize its effect.
Red, this is Red 1. Execute short halt, herringbone formation. Observing possible IED trigger marker 100 meters, 12 o'clock. Initiate 5-meter checks. Acknowledge, over.
After identifying the best position to stop, the vehicle commanders instruct crew members to initiate 5-meter checks. It may not be advisable to stop at obvious dismount points, as that location may also be obvious to the enemy and pre-selected for IED emplacement. Crew members are assigned specific sectors of responsibility and conduct visual checks using the naked eye, binoculars, and other optics. The vehicle commander clears the right front quadrant from 12 to 3 o'clock. The driver clears the left front quadrant from 9 to 12 o'clock. The left rear passenger clears the left rear quadrant from 9 to 6 o'clock. The right rear passenger clears the right rear quadrant from 6 to 3 o'clock. The gunner can look in any direction, but should not stand up so high as to present an easy target to an enemy precision marksman or sniper. Carry out this visual inspection, checking for explosive hazards, disturbed earth, suspicious objects, loose bricks and walls, wires, antennas, and anything out of the ordinary. Initiate this systematic scan beginning at ground level, moving to eye level, and finishing with areas higher than head level. Keep ballistic windows up and non-ballistic windows down. Utilize night vision devices, white light, or infrared assets at night in accordance with MET-TC. All crew members report their findings to the vehicle commander, who sends this information to the patrol leader. Once this information is received, and it becomes necessary to dismount the vehicle, the patrol leader instructs the vehicle crews to conduct 25-meter checks. On dismounting, all soldiers move as quickly as possible to a point approximately 25 meters from their vehicle. During this movement, they visually scan out 25 meters, checking for IED indicators and anything out of the ordinary. One vehicle commander, identified during the orders process, stays in the vehicle with the driver and gunner to provide command and control. Once in place, soldiers on each flank look inward and use their optics to visually clear around their vehicle. Simultaneous to this action, one soldier on each flank continues to observe outwardly to 200 meters for likely enemy observation points and sniper locations. During execution of the 25-meter battle drill, vehicle gunners provide overwatch and far security. Gunners should unlock and traverse the turret and remain seated in the sling seat. They should observe between the gun shield and turret shield for better individual protection. They should utilize a scanning methodology that starts at 100 meters, out to a distance of 600 meters, looking for both snipers and any mounted and dismounted threat. Upon completion, both teams report their status and findings to the patrol leader. Based on the situation, the patrol leader can direct the patrol either to remount or move a safe distance from the road and continue moving dismounted using the vehicles as a support by fire element. Vehicle drivers must ensure that they maintain a speed and distance that keeps the dismount teams within the crew-served weapons' effective ranges. In the event that dismount teams encounter a probable improvised explosive device, they will report it immediately to the patrol leader, maintain a safe standoff distance, and ensure that the team does not straddle the detonation wire. In the event that far side security assets are not available and the mounted elements cannot cross safely, the dismount teams will provide far side security, stop traffic, and report until EOD assets can be dispatched to the location. Once EOD assets arrive, the patrol provides local security and is responsible for establishing adequate standoff distances in the event of a device detonation. When the IED has been neutralized and EOD has cleared the area, the patrol leader directs remount procedures utilizing counter-sniper methods. The vehicle commander will order the drivers to move the vehicles either forward or backward a short distance as the dismounted soldiers near the vehicle in order to throw off the aim of a potential sniper. Snipers may set their aim on a stationary vehicle with the objective of firing upon a soldier as he remounts the vehicle. This training video was prepared by the TRADOC Project Office for Gaming, an element of the National Simulation Center Combined Arms Center Training at Fort Leavenworth, Kansas, in support of the Center for Army Lessons Learned.